This has been actually a learning experience for a lot of us, and I want to thank our Economic Council team. Now, Kenyans know the difference between zero rating and exemption, and that is where the big lie is. And I think that has been unpacked, thanks to Honorable Badi and the colleagues. Last Sunday I was in a church somewhere in the river, in Mulolongo, and I spoke about the skepticism at my level with people wanting to rush to court. Everybody is within their rights to rush to court, but we have also heard from our sister Caroline Karugu on the provisions of Article 48. My brother, who is also a very good friend, Wajakoya, will probably agree, and Mother, denying people access to justice as unconstitutional. So some people rushed and said Kalonzo is supporting the finance bill. My media team did a very good job of that disinformation. So you can see the level of panic. People are panicked because they're doing the wrong things. So as I said, we are ready to go. Our teams are very well. A leader in Parliament is here, a leader in the National Assembly, and the leaders, of course, the matter is not going to the Senate, so it's all National Assembly. So Wandai and the teams, I'm sure you are equal to the task. You want me to call some other friend? Yeah, I'll probably call my brother, Governor Eria, who has lived through this. But before you come, Eria, it appears to me, over and above all this, taxation, there's also the Kanjus. The county governments are also doing their own taxation. So look at it. That's why I said you cannot develop an economy this way. And those who have been following even the debate on debt ceiling, for me, I find that completely unacceptable. The issue about debt ceiling had to get President Joe Biden leave the G20 or the G7 summit in Hiroshima, in Tokyo, to go back and make peace and argue and agree with the House Speaker of Congress, because America was at the verge of breaching even the debt ceiling thing. So this debt ceiling matter cannot be hidden. It must be brought to the fore so that Kenyans will know you cannot extend the debt ceiling without the full involvement discussion of Parliament. So hiding it under some funny clause that we just been told, I don't know who made that presentation, that the cabinet secretary responsible for finance can just go and lay on the table some information, and then the country then assumes that all is well. So I think in a nutshell, we are in a crisis, and we need to be able to accept that this is a crisis matter. And then, as my brother said, the conclusion was very clear. We give it to the public court. I don't know whether it's you, Kioni or Wanjakoya or Mwangi you had stood. As I said, I had nothing useful to add. That's why I was muttering around. But I hope I've managed to clear some issues. Thank you.